Fila, déselo, mi hermano. Cuidado. Φίλε, έχουν γίνει χοντρές γιορτές του Μιχάλη το σπίτι.
Scientists were surprised by Monday's 5.8 magnitude earthquake in Arkelokori, in Iraklio on Crete, which is estimated to have been the culmination of a prolonged and unusual seismic sequence that began a few months ago. At least 20 injured, while homes and churches were damaged. It also caused rock slides near the country's fourth largest city. The quake sent people fleeing into the streets in the city of Iraklio, and schools were evacuated. Repeated aftershocks rattled the area, adding to damage in villages near the epicenter. After an uneasy night rocked by multiple aftershocks from Monday's destructive 5.8 magnitude earthquake, residents of Iraklio in Crete were sent scurrying into the streets again on Tuesday morning by a fresh tremor of over 5 on the Richter scale. According to the Geodynamic Institute of the National Observatory of Athens, the 7:48 a.m. tremor had a preliminary magnitude of 5.4 Richter and its epicenter was 23 kilometers south-southwest of the city of Iraklio. It was followed by successive aftershocks as strong as 4.4 to 4.5 on the Richter scale. International and domestic flights to Iraklio Airport weren't affected by the quake, while the region's Hoteliers Association said there was no serious damage to any hotels in the area, which includes many popular holiday resorts. Greek authorities set up tents for the homeless residents of the village of Arkelokori, Crete, after an earthquake. Tents were also set up at villages along the municipality of Minoas Pediatas, where hundreds of homes have been damaged. Tellingly, earthquake also changed long-held perceptions about Crete, which until recently was considered to be prone only to undersea quakes, and therefore protected.